Guys, do you dare my dad to throw this on top of that?
It's a bit high. I don't know if he's going to survive.
Oh, let's see.
What do you,
Dad, do it. Oh my God.
you reckon I should?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I'm scared about Henry. All right. So guys, you climbed up this and you're on the halfway point, yeah?
I will shut him down.
Are you going to chuck him down, yeah? All right, give me 1 second. I need to move out the way, yeah? Adam, let's move out the way. All right, go on. Push him off. Oi, 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 oi.
It's fun!
Oh, smashed him.
Oh my God.
Oh, all right. Should we do one level higher?
No!
All right, guys, that was from level 1, yeah? Oi! That was from level 1. Should we take it to upstairs to level 2? Huh? Put the lid back on. Ozzy, fix him up. Put the lid back on. What? Why are you so angry about him today? Huh?
Because he's stinky.
He's stinky.
Yeah.
Stop it. Fix him, please. Fix him. Fix him. Ozzy.
I want him. It's on top.
Great, yeah?
Let's move back.
Stand back a bit. Ready? It's risky, Zaria. What do you think?
Do it! Henry Hoover 2 wants you to do it!
He survived.
He survived. Now you have to jump down.
Right, shall I jump from here?
No.
Huh?
No.
I'll jump from here.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
Go on.
Biggest slide you've
No, the good one. Take him up to the big one. Take him to the big one.
The biggest slide?
Yeah.
The biggest one ever.
Zaria, take him. Take him to the big one. Look at the size of the big one, guys.
Yeah, be careful with this. And? Yeah. Adam, let's get the big one. Look on that one? Yeah.
Wait, Adam needs help, guys. Zaria, move out Adam's way. Adam, where are you trying to go?
I'm going to go to the big one.
Alright, you go on the small one. Let's see Adam come down. Uzi, move out the way. Adam's going to slide down. Okay.
Oh.
Alright, Azaria. Here. Take this, Larry. Wait, you come down first. Uzi's going to push him down. Excuse out the way. Go on, Uzi. It's still strong, guys. It didn't break. That was amazing, Uzi. What do you think? Go on, you go down the slide. Adam, you want to try the big one?
No. I'm up to here. That didn't make it heavy.
Why?
Like, I need to hear him.
All right, Adam, push him down this small one.
I climbed up the slide.
So the small slide is no issue, and the big slide is no issue as well. So both of the slides,
No issue.
no issues for him. All right, so all right, Adam, do you think you can push him down the big slide one last time?
Yeah.
All right, here. Wait, Adam. Go on then. Guys, I asked Adam to do it.
But let me.
I asked Adam to let him do it. Ready, steady, and go.
I didn't want to go down that big line.
Adam, you want to come down this big slide?
No.
Oh, you're too scared?
That's if I come down there. Dada.
Let's see you go now.
Could we go skate park?
Yeah.
Oh, Dada, watch me.
Alright, go on then.
I'm to try. I hurt my. Let me the hand. Hey, Dad, watch me. I'm going to climb up this ladder. Oh, give me the hand. Give me the hand. Could I take my coat off?
No, remember what I said.
Oh.
Can you get that back on, Ozzy? Do you need a hand?
I can.
Come on then, let's take him skate park.
Yeah.
Let's go. This way to skate park.
Okay, you can let's just go skate park. Then on the way back, take the Hoover GANG. I know that. Okay,
So-
let's go to this park. And do it. And do
Come on then.
that.
We have to go pick up another James Hoover.